Hi, it's Mr. Blystone, and here's the unit opener for Unit 1 of Algebra 2 on functions. So this unit's about functions. So let's kind of give us an overarching example that'll help us see functions. So not all items continue to increase in value over time. This is a comic called The Death of Superman, and in 1992, on November 17th, it was $2.95. The next day, when it was sold out, all issues been sold, it was worth $20. $20. So it basically increased by close to $17, $17.05. By December 18th, so a month after it was worth 20, the price had skyrocketed to $100. Then the price began to drop. On January 10th, 1993, so basically, what? Let's see here. 2, 3, 13, 23 days or so later, it was worth $75. So it had gone down 25 from its 100. And by June 15th of that year, it had decreased to $30. And it had been stable for some time. Then a year later after that, you could get a mint condition copy for $10. So let's take a look at those values in a chart and a graph. So if you look, we have the days after release here and the value in dollars. So it starts low, skyrockets, and goes back down, kind of levels off. Just like that. Now, the relationship between time and value is an example of a function. Because the amount of time after release gives the value, or the value depends on how long after release you're trying to buy it. So we'll learn in this unit to describe functions with words, tables, graphs, and symbols. So here are the lessons in this unit. We're going to talk about the language of algebra. Then we're going to answer the question, what is a function? Then we're going to look at some function notations. Then graphs of functions. Then we'll review solving equations, rewriting formulas. Then we're going to be talking about sequences. And we're going to be talking about explicit formulas for sequences, recursive formulas for sequences, and then the notation for recursive formulas. So that's opening this unit. Hope you enjoy the videos in it. And as always, keep learning.